Welcome! Are you in your 20s or 30s and ready to take control of your financial future? We're diving into the golden rules of saving money that can set you up for lifelong success. Your 20s and 30s are the most critical time to establish strong financial habits. The decisions you make now will have a massive impact on your wealth accumulation later. Thanks to the power of compounding, starting your savings journey early in your 20s means your money works harder for longer. Even small amounts matter immensely when you have decades for growth. Let's explore the 5 golden rules of saving money tailored specifically for individuals in their 20s and 30s. Rule number 1, pay yourself first. This is often simplified by the 50/30/20ths rule, a crucial framework for budgeting. Make saving non-negotiable. Automate transfers to your savings and investment accounts so that you save before you even have a chance to spend. Aim to allocate 20% of your income to savings and debt. This 20% covers everything from retirement contributions to paying down student loans faster. Rule number 2 is crucial for stability. Build an emergency fund. This is your financial safety net. Your target should be 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses. This fund is designed to cover unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies. While the funds should be accessible, keep them in a separate high-yield savings account. This minimizes the temptation to tap into it for non-emergencies. Golden rule number 3, tackle high-interest debt. Debt can severely limit your ability to save and invest. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can quickly erase your savings efforts. Prioritize paying these off using strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche method. Just as compounding helps investments grow, it works against you with debt. Eliminating high-interest debt is equivalent to earning a guaranteed, risk-free return on your money. Rule number 4, maximize retirement savings. This is where long-term wealth truly begins to grow. Start contributing to your 401k or IRA today. Even if it's just a small percentage, every year in your 20s counts significantly more than any year later. Don't leave free money on the table. Always contribute enough to your 401k to capture the full employer match. It's an instant, guaranteed return on your investment. Rule number 5, budget and track spending. Knowledge is power when it comes to your money. You can't manage what you don't measure. Use a budgeting tool or spreadsheet to track every dollar in and out. This reveals hidden spending habits. Identifying areas to cut costs doesn't mean sacrificing joy, but redirecting funds toward your goals. Look for high-impact cuts like unused subscriptions or expensive daily habits. These 5 golden rules will build a robust financial foundation throughout your 20s and 30s. Remember that consistency trumps intensity. Regular, manageable savings contributions will always outperform sporadic attempts at aggressive saving. You are building the blueprint for your future financial freedom right now. Commit to these golden rules, stay disciplined, and watch your wealth grow.